Hey everybody, it's Travis, your manufactured home nerd, back with a new tour. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Stagecoach. I've done a version of it before that was a 5-bedroom. This is the 4-bedroom, 3-bath version. It's got the beautiful pantry, a lot of almost endlessly customizable ways you can design this floor plan. It's absolutely one of my favorites, and I want to show it to you today. It's built by Kabco Builders out of Alabama, and they offer a lot of customization, not just checking colors or changing those up, but also moving walls, redesigning the floor plan to be exactly what you need. You can see the vinyl siding that they have across it with the LP shutters. Now they do offer an LP siding as well, so you can upgrade that, and you don't have to be stuck with just one dormer or a dormer at all. You can change that as well. Let's get in here and see this beautiful 4-bedroom and 3-bath house right at 2280 square feet. You walk into a foyer area, which is a little nice, gives you a formal feel. And there's your living room. It's got the electric fireplace in it. You see no carpet in here. It's standard, comes with carpet, but you can easily change that to this luxury vinyl tile that they offer. And what's great about this tile is there's no beam at the marriage line, so you don't have to have that little bump in your road across your living room. And now this is the shiplap around the electric fireplace. They have 3 or 4 different colors you can choose from. You can also do a wood burning fireplace, but don't feel trapped with having it right there in the corner. We could end up doing 4 windows, put 2 on either side of the fireplace on that wall. You could put it on this wall with shelves on either side. Almost endless options. Now if you pull this home, it's also called the MD43 on Kabco. If you pull it up on the website, there's normally an archway right here. We got rid of it to open it up further, and they got these beautiful beams accenting in your dining room and your kitchen. And this is their beautiful German smear backsplash. Absolutely gorgeous. Now we did the stainless steel appliances in here, but you can do the black appliances, and they also offer gas as well. Rolled countertops. Now this is their premium rolled. You can see the double roll here, and it's also rolled up in the back, so you're not going to splash that water. They also offer wood doors, now standard on their MDs, and also this one came in a little too soon because they now offer soft close doors on their cabinet doors as well, not yet on the drawers. And I recently had a customer ordering this home. They added a trash can pull out to the island. It's going to be right there in the center. So you do get to customize, make it more what you want. Off across the kitchen here, you got bedroom 2 and 3 as well as bathroom 2, and they are a good sized bedroom each. I think they're around 11 feet, but you could easily fit a queen size bed in here with a dresser, no problem. And then your bathroom, it's got a nice size to it as well. Let's get the light on here. There we go. So you can see here that ceramic sinks, of course, are standard. You can do the elongated toilet if you want in here. And then you got the larger Vanderbilt tub shower combo that they offer. You can do the skinnier ones if you prefer, but that Vanderbilt's a nice option for the kids to have more room to soak as they get older. And then you come into bedroom 3, same size as bedroom 2, as you can see. And of course, both of them had those nice big windows. This house has the 2-inch blinds, which is really nice. And they are the cordless blinds, so you can adjust them without having to do the strings. Thermopane windows. They also, those windows, I don't know if you notice, they got the little tabs right here, so you can fold it in, make it easier to clean. And then a good sized closet in each bedroom too, with the corner closet. Now I have had some people want to move the closets, get rid of the closets, make it an office. It's all an easy option. Y'all saw the wire racks in there. Those are standard for the shelving in all the Kabco homes, but they do have an innovative closet shelving system that you can upgrade to. Gives you the wood shelves. And before we get to bedroom 3, you got this beautiful pantry. And when I say beautiful, it's just beautiful from the size. Look how big it is. Now you can do a lot of options. You can cut it in half, make a second closet inside of it. I had somebody, we took the shelving out, put plugs in so they could put the freezers in here. whatever you need. Now this pantry does give me a little anxiety thinking about shopping at Sam's to fill it up. I don't know if my car or trunk can handle all of that. But moving on to bathroom 3, you see it's same size as bathroom 2. And right here in this little corner, a lot of times we will add a 3-door cabinet stack, give you some extra storage for towels, toilet paper, whatever. And you see bedroom 4, same size as the other one. So none of the kids are going to be arguing over who gets the bigger bedroom, which is really nice. And now I think my wife's favorite part of this house is actually this amazing utility room. You got room for a freezer over here very easily. Water heater is here behind a door. But look at all this countertop space and all the extra storage. Absolutely amazing. Now y'all see those window units. When you buy a home with us at Bolton Homes, you do get a full-size AC with all your new homes, but we put 2 window units in this whole home, and it's kept it cool for us so we can come shop it, show it to customers, and not melt when it's 95 degrees outside. And of course, your washer dryer goes right here. Got your little whole home shut off there. That's always a nice feature, something I really like to add to every home, make it more convenient for people. So many different ways you can customize on this home. One of the things I just recently had somebody do is we added a second water heater to the master closet. That gave them the option of doing the master bathroom and the kitchen run off one water heater, utility room and kids' bathrooms run off the other one, so everybody can always have hot water. Now, one of my favorite things about this house is actually in the master bedroom suite. And right here you have a huge bedroom. That's a massive king-size bed. I'm not sure if it's a 15-foot bedroom or a little bit larger, but it's somewhere around there. You guys see those are large nightstands and a huge king-size bed, so you have a lot of space. Now this part here is my absolute favorite. I call it my timeout spot when I'm in trouble with the wife or even the kids. I got a place to run to. Nice little retreat. Put me a love seat in here, TV, or make it an office. All bunch of different uses for this. Maybe a library. That would be absolutely amazing to have in my bedroom. I don't think my kids or wife would ever see me. Now, off the master bedroom, of course, is this beautiful master bathroom. A lot of space here for all the junk that y'all accumulate. And when I say y'all, I mean mostly my wife. It's almost like playing Jenga every time I gotta go to the sink. But you got the vanity space, drawers for storage, cabinets for storage, and a large mirror that gives, there's no option, you're gonna be able to see yourself. And then this tub right here is huge. 6-foot tub, gives you a lot of space to soak. Absolutely amazing. And then a beautiful tile shower. They have 3 different tile options that we really like, and you can do a handheld in here as well as that rain shower head, but I've had people add 2 rain shower heads and absolutely love it. One of my favorite things is you got the handle right here, so I don't have to get under the shower head to get it turned on and get wet in the process. You got your little private water closet, or as I like to call it, where you go to watch TikTok. And then right here we got a huge master closet. Now this is not the innovative shelving, but it's like their upgraded MD shelving that a lot of people love too. You got the rails underneath and it gives you that wood look. You can do any one of those 3 options with the wired shelving and whatnot. This is one of my favorite homes, one I love. Now if you have questions about this home or any of the homes that I offer or you've seen me tour, give Travis a call at 318-487-1819. Of course, you can also stop by 8115 Highway 28 West in Alexandria, Louisiana. We deliver statewide and parts of Texas, Arkansas, and Mississippi. Now, of course, if you want to work with the nerd, you got to ask for the nerd. So when you come in, ask for Travis. I'd love to see you, love to help you. Y'all have a great day, and thanks for watching.